What's going on, guys?
What's up, everybody?
Vegan mechanic.
Vegan realtor.
Ah, she said it. That's freaking awesome. So, can I get a kiss real quick? Really?
Because you're getting on my nerves. So y'all don't get to see what happens before we say action. Give me a kiss. Anyway.
So, sorry for leaving you guys hanging so long. If you're new here, hit subscribe. This is an amazing exclusive, not even on the menu yet, cheese steak with shrimp. Don't frown on your face. Tell them why you look for it. Smell it though.
It looks
Don't
legit.
It smell like
it
shrimp?
It smells legit. It looks
like
legit.
That. Grub Factory, I love you guys. Y'all know that. Because I told y'all when I was there. Look at this. This is the origami box. And you was hating on it. Look at that. It's like Chinese food box. You know, you can open it up.
You ain't know that.
I did know that. Just in case ain't nobody else know. So what you eat on, babe? Tell them what you eating.
Y'all seen our videos before. You know exactly what I'm eating.
This may be their first time.
There's nothing exciting over here. And if this is your first time looking at this video,
subscribe.
Yeah. Green beans and potatoes from Grub Factory. I can't really describe how the potatoes are, but they're different and they're delicious.
Just look at that. I don't know if it's coming in clear or not.
Do the thing so you can make them see it.
That don't work.
Yeah, it does. You just don't know what you're doing.
I don't. So look, don't mind the gloves.
Why you got the gloves?
Because my hands can't get all the way clean yet. I gotta finish working on the car.
Can you take this?
What is that? A mushroom? Hell yeah.
Ew. Let me see you chew it. Oh.
So, this right here though is off the chain. Let's go in for the first bite.
You literally have the same reaction for every single thing you try. That's, y'all know.
This shrimp actually tastes shrimpy, man. It smell. Come on, can you tell me what it smells like at least? I know you're not gonna try it.
It smells legit, yeah.
It's pretty good.
I want some of that macaroni. I would have ate the macaroni, man.
I was telling the guy behind the counter, I wish I didn't forget his name. He's a really cool dude. He was happy to see me the first time he see me. I said, before I order, let me order her stuff. Because I don't want to forget what I'm getting.
It's really spicy today.
I said, I'm going to get in trouble. I'm a grown man. I'm going to get in trouble.
Is it normally this spicy?
I don't know. I haven't had it.
Oh.
You want to make some?
Yeah. It's like the third time I dropped something.
It's rated PG-13. What are you doing?
Oh, God.
Huh?
I can't stand you.
I don't know why she tricks me so bad. Look, we're not going... Alright, let me stop saying that for people who think that she actually treats... She treats me pretty good. What? I didn't say nothing.
I'm not worried about you at all.
But this cheesesteak, though. I mean, I thought this was something that you gotta give up when you become vegan and stuff. You know what I mean? They still figure stuff out for you. Grub Factory makes
Grub Factory
easy.
does figure it out. I will say that. Yes.
I was supposed to be eating good, man, but I was in the neighborhood, so I was like, you know what? Look, they got like some type of collard or kale or something in it too.
Oh, I thought it was just peppers.
Oh, that might have just been a lettuce. I might just be tripping. I saw you eating it though.
No, I got a meal prep that I was supposed to be eating right now. Or
yeah. There's the shrimp.
They cannot see that little thing, that gummy worm. It's like I'm gonna stop coming for Grub Factory shrimp.
She don't like mock meat at all.
No.
In case you don't know. She got something against it. Why don't you like mock meat, babe?
Don't get me started. I'm not in the mood.
If you're in Maryland, you want to buy a house, you know who to holler at too, right?
Y'all better come holler at the vegan realtor.
Realtor? She gets so pissed. I know how to say it. Damn.
And you realize, like, has anybody who's been watching us for a while, do you realize, I know you're about to know what I'm talking about. Do you realize how he sets stuff up for me to be pissed so it looks like I'm just mean to y'all? You understand that it's staged. He is trying to make me look mean.
How's it staged?
You know what you're doing. He's trying to make me look mean. And I'm not playing this game because I'm not mean.
You sure?
To him.
Oh.
All the time.
Okay. You don't got nothing else you want to throw in there?
No. Eat your shrimp.
I have been. They loaded it up. A whole bunch of them on there.
Eat your shrimp.
Literally one in my mouth right now. Stop trying to be funny.
No, eat your shrimp. Don't keep taking them off.
I did. I'm taking some of the bread off.
Boy.
You know I do a bunch of bread. I don't. I wish I knew they had mushrooms. I would do them on my cheesesteak.
It's so spicy. But so good.
I'm making a mess all over my face though. Mmm.
I ain't got time.
You see that?
Oh, it's so spicy.
I hope we ain't too far away. It looks like we kind of far away.
We are kind of far away. Very far away. That looks good.
You want a bite?
Not a chance.
You say you're going to start trying stuff.
I did try something. I tried that other cheesesteak and I couldn't deal with the mock meat. So now you're trying to give me double mock meat.
Yeah. So look guys. What I need from y'all is to let me know what y'all need from me. Oh, her. She seems to think that no one's watching for her. That's your channel, baby.
How many times are we going to have the same conversation?
They need to know.
These people do not want to hear the same conversation over and over. They know that they coming to see you.
What?
No, I'm looking at this. It looks so juicy.
It is.
It looks so good.
They got some of the best seitan I ever had, ever.
That looks so juicy. Man, I wish I could try it.
You can.
I wish I wanted to.
You can.
This is so freaking spicy, but I can't stop.
But the green beans?
The
The taters? Why you keep mean mugging me though?
Oh, spicy. And then I'm gonna drink it wine.
I'm about to say, let me wash it down with some liquor. That works.
Look at all them shrimps.
You got one shrimp here. So.
Oh, you ate almost the whole thing this time.
What do you mean? I did eat it. The only thing that's left is bread. And that's because I kept pushing it. And some shrimp. And a couple pieces of seitan. I ain't no scavenger.
Oh, since when?
I don't eat any old thing. I got morals and stuff. Rough Factor has the best mac and cheese I've ever tasted.
Yes.
It's off
Which
the
is
chain.
why I don't understand why you didn't give me some.
We're not gonna hold you guys up. This chick is tired. She's been slinging houses all day. I'm tired. I've been fixing cars all day. So we're gonna wrap this thing up a little early. Help me get to 10K by the summer.
Spicy.
I'm trying to wrap it up.
I understand, but it's so spicy, y'all.
Grow up. You never say it's so damn spicy.
Y'all see how this man talks to his wife.
So look, we're wrapping this thing up. I appreciate all the love that you guys been sending. We got more recipes coming. I promise you I'm trying to get this chick in the kitchen.
Alright, I will say that. You have been trying.
Thank you. So we're working on some high protein meal prep video.
It's so spicy. crazy, yo. Like, I swear I'm not exaggerating, don't.
She need to grow up. You see, you messing me up. High protein meal preps. More custom recipes. I got an Alfredo recipe I'm working on. I got a 20-minute macaroni and cheese, vegan mac and cheese like video that I got. I already pretty much figured out how to do it. But this is like, I'm working on some quick, fast vegan dinners for when you get home from work and you're tired and you feel like cooking. Trust me, I learned a whole bunch of them.
Oh, alright. Alright. Oh, that was worth it. Your little 15 seconds of fame.
I'm cutting that up.
No, don't cut that. Let these people see why. Let them see. So in the future they can be like, oh, I remember. Yep. I remember when it all went bad.
Oh, it went bad. Come here.
Ain't nobody worried about you. You just wait, because that's going to roll right back around on you. Oh, I just stuffed in that green bean.
Why you didn't pick it up?
I'm about to.
Alright guys, look. Eat grass, not ass. Buy houses, not rent. Look, nothing is ever scripted here with us. We just roll right up, tongue right with the punches. There's a very.
Make me choke.
Oh man, I forgot DJ wanted to try this.
Oh no. Oh, you better fake it. Put some of that leftover on the bread.
She patty. Eat grass, not ass. I love you guys. Hit subscribe. Share this with your friends. Peace.